Okay, so I'm delighted to be here at the beautiful Dovestones Reservoir in Saddleworth, and I'm even more delighted to show you two exceptional family-sized SUVs that have recently come to market and are available from RRG Group. The first car I'd like to show you today is the all-new Toyota CHR plug-in. Okay, so this is the all-new Toyota CHR plug-in, also known as a PHEV, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. And what that means is that basically you've got an electrical charge and a petrol tank. For shorter journeys, you can run purely off electric, and this vehicle will give you up to 40 miles. And for those longer journeys, you've got the backup of a petrol tank. And the other car that we've got is the all-new Peugeot E3008. This is the all-new Peugeot E3008, and this is a full electric vehicle. Simple to use, you simply charge up the vehicle, and this car will give you round about 400 miles of charge in the extended range version. That is incredible. But most importantly, most people are looking at the transition between traditional petrol vehicles through to electrification. And the reason we've selected these two vehicles today is to show you how both powertrains work, and hopefully then you can decide which is the right kind of powertrain for you, and then come to RRG and look at all of our 8 brands that are available and look at what is on offer for you.